I'll keep it dry.
I have written two of the sentences here. These are related to the adjectives.
Okay.
So I would like to ask you whether both the sentences are correct or which one is correct, which one is wrong. What do you think about these two sentences?
Second one is wrong.
I know you better than him.
Yeah.
I know you better than he. Which one is
Yeah,
correct, which one is wrong?
First one is correct. Second one is wrong.
Are you
Because
sure?
when we talk about like a third person, we have to write like him or something like that only, not like he. We cannot write he.
Okay,
Hello?
means you think the first one is correct and the second one is wrong.
Wrong, yeah.
But what if I say both the sentences are correct?
No, that's what I'm saying. I mean, as per my knowledge, we cannot write he.
Okay, but I tell you both the sentences are correct.
Oh, okay, okay.
No sentence is wrong.
Oh, okay.
Both are correct.
Okay.
Meaning is different. Meaning is very deep.
Oh, okay.
Meaning of the sentences are different. And very deep meaning it is. Now I explain it to you.
Sure.
When I say I know you, just see the first part of the sentence. I know you. Clear? I know you.
That is statement. I know.
I know you better than him.
Okay.
It means, now try to understand. You are there, I am here, and this is him.
He is with us. That's what you were saying.
No, you are here, I am here, and this is the third person whom I am talking about, him.
Okay, okay.
Now when I say, I know you better than him, it means that person and you are not related. You may be related, you may know each other, you may not know each other. It is not clear here. But I am saying, I am speaking, I know you better than him. Means I know, if I know you 100%, I know him 80%.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, I understand.
I know you better than him.
Yes.
It means I know him 80%, I know you 100%.
Yes.
I know you for 10 years, but I know him for 2 years.
Okay.
This is the meaning.
Yes.
But when I say I know you better than he,
okay,
it means something is hidden there. What is hidden? He knows you, yeah, he does. this is hidden there.
Okay.
If I write he, it
Okay.
means he knows you. It should be knows actually. It should be knows or does. Now try to understand the meaning.
Okay.
I know you better than he. It means I know you.
Okay.
Now I may be related to him or he may be, or it means we may know each other or we may not know each other. But here,
Okay.
I know you better than he knows you. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Little
Got
bit
it.
confusing.
Yes.
I
Confusing.
know you better than he knows you.
Okay.
If I know you for 10 years, he knows you only for 5 years.
Okay. Got it.
This
In
is
the second sentence, like both of you know me, knows me. I mean, know me. In the first sentence, there is no relation between me and him.
yes, yes.
That's why you are saying like, okay, I know you better than him. Okay, got it.
And the second one,
We three of us knows each other.
I know you better than he.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Suppose,
Three of us.
suppose you are talking to your daughter
Okay.
and she is talking about her friend and something, whatever mean like discussion or something, that time you say, I know you better than she or he, whoever it may be. I know you better than she or he, whatever. Understand? But here, I know you better than him.
Got it.
This is the difference. Okay. Now, suppose I say, I like tea. Or somebody is asking me, would you like to have a cup of tea? Yes, I like tea. And now it's your turn. You say, yes, I like tea too. But it's okay. But when the sentences are in affirmative, in a conversation, it's okay. I say, I like it too. I also like tea, like this. But if I speak any negative sentence, I don't like tea. Now you have to speak the same. I don't like tea. What would you use? Also, or what? What would you use?
Yeah, I don't like tea.
I speak, I don't like tea. And after that, it's your turn. And you want to say negative. You want to reply negative. What would you say? I don't like tea
Either.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
I don't like tea either. We never say also, but to in negative sentences. Yes, very good. I don't like tea either.
Okay.
Do you like wine? No, I don't like wine. I don't like wine either. Like this. Okay.
Sure.
One more. Because these are very common things. That's why I'm telling you.
Yes.
And
Okay.
people commit mistakes. One more, suppose I say I learned swimming in my childhood. I learned swimming in my childhood, and you learn I have written this sentence. I learned swimming in my childhood, and you learn swimming in your childhood too. But it has become a long sentence.
Mm.
It is not recommended. If you speak,
Uh,
it's not wrong.
we can say like we both of us learned swimming in our childhood.
Yes,
Both of us learned. Can we say that?
yes, of course.
Okay.
But one more, I
One
tell
second.
you.
Child.
But here,
Sorry. Yeah, please go ahead.
I learned swimming in my childhood.
Okay.
First sentence is same. I learned swimming in my childhood. So did you. That's all. I learned swimming in my childhood. So did you.
But this is the question, right?
This is not a question. This is not a question.
One second. Okay.
Why it is made like this.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is not a question. Meaning is same. I learned swimming in my childhood and you learned swimming in your childhood. But to make it short, it is made like this. I learned swimming in my childhood, so did you.
Okay.
I am a teacher, so are you.
Okay.
I am a teacher, so are you.
Child.
I went there, so did you.
Okay.
Like this.
So did you. Okay.
According to the tense.
Okay.
But it should be in interrogative. This is the rule. This is not interrogative. Meaning is not interrogative, but it is made in interrogative.
Okay.
It is the rule. Okay. It is made like this. Okay, so here hardly. Hardly actually it is an adverb. Like suppose you say I hit him hardly. Because showing the manner how you did the work. I hit him hardly. But
Adverb. Yeah, adverb, right?
yes, it is an adverb. But when
Okay.
you use it in a different way, the meaning is changed sometimes. As the last time we studied about all the parts of speech, but sometimes how we use them, if we change their place, the meaning is changed.
Okay.
Like if suppose I say, uh, I looked, I looked at him hardly. I looked at him hardly. What does this mean? Means I looked at him angrily, you can say. I looked at him hardly. It is the meaning you understood? Angrily, like this.
Yeah.
Okay. But when I say I hardly looked at him. Meaning, I looked at him hardly. I hardly looked at him. Means I ignored him. I hardly paid any attention to them. Clear?
Yes.
It is like that. One more thing I want to tell you. Do you know the use of having plus third form of the verb? And it is always followed by a subject, or you can say it is always followed by a past indefinite or simple past. This sentence is also very important and it is used in our English almost every day. So that also I want to tell you, because this is very common use.
Okay.
It can be used in passive also. Like you say, suppose I say, I had dinner at 8 p.m. Full stop. I went to sleep at 10:30. These are the two sentences in past.
Can you repeat again, please? I had dinner.
I had dinner at 10:30 or
Okay.
10 or 8, whatever. I
Okay.
had my dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday or last night. Okay.
Okay.
Full stop. Next sentence. I went to sleep at 10 p.m.
Okay.
But when you want to make your writing more beautiful,
Okay.
you want to write it in, or you want to enhance the beauty of your writing. It is simple. You write that I had my dinner at 10 and then I went to sleep at 10:30. But you can use it by using having. Having
Okay.
plus V3. How you can make it? Like having had. Having had. It is always followed by V3, third form.
Okay.
That's why I have already written there V3. Having had my dinner at 8 p.m. then comma I went to sleep at whatever.
Okay.
Having finished. Having
So
finished. Yes.
normally we use this having only for past or present, future also.
For past action.
Only past actions.
Yes. करने
Okay.
के बाद. Like
Okay.
दूध पीने के बाद मैं सो गया. खाना
Okay.
खाने के बाद मैं सो गया.
Okay.
Having finished his study, he got the job.
Okay.
Having finished his study, he got the job.
Okay.
But sometimes it may be in passive.
Okay.
Suppose I write a sentence here. Having been given third degree by the police, he uttered the truth.
Got it.
Because now he has not done anything himself. He was given third degree. So having been given third degree by the police, he uttered the truth. तो सच्चाई उसने उगल दी. So having been asked many times, he told me his name. कई बार पूछने पर उसने अपना नाम बताया.
Okay.
Having been asked many times, he told me his name. अब इसको like if we speak like this, I asked him many times, then he told me his name. It's okay, not bad at all. But when you speak like this, having been asked many times, he told me his name, it looks little better. That's why I'm telling you all these things. You must know everything, but how you want to use it, it is your choice.
Got it. Yes. Agree.
You must know this is mango, this is banana, this is orange, this is papaya. Now what I want to eat, it is my choice. But if you know only banana and you are eating only banana, you don't know about papaya, you are expected to know everything. Okay? It is like this, we can use like this.
Sure.
And one more, it is also very good and very nice. Sometimes we speak like मैं अपनी हंसी रोक नहीं पाया. उसकी शक्ल देखकर उसकी शक्ल शक्ल यू अंडरस्टैंड, उसकी शक्ल
Yes.
देखकर मैं अपनी हंसी रोक नहीं पाया। तो रोक नहीं पाया, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर पाया लाइक दिस, मतलब हंसी को नहीं रोक पाया। तो हाउ वी मेक इट कांट हेल्प, द फॉर्मूला इज आई राइट हियर द स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज कैन नॉट or couldn't. It may be couldn't also if it is in past. Plus help plus ing form. Like we can say, having seen his face, having seen his face, I couldn't help laughing.
I couldn't.
Help laughing.
Oh, okay.
Couldn't help laughing. मैं यहाँ पे मैं धूप में खड़ा नहीं हो सकता।
Okay.
मैंने कहा मैं धूप में नहीं हो सकता खड़ा। I cannot help standing in the sun. मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता। या करे बिना नहीं रह सकता, ये भी हो सकता है। मैं इस काम को, जैसे ये था ना कि मैं हंसे बिना नहीं रह सका, couldn't help laughing. उसका दुख देखकर मैं रोए बिना नहीं रह सका। So I couldn't help shedding my tears. So we can make sentences like this.
Why can't we use like I couldn't stop laughing? Can we say like that?
Couldn't stop. You can say.
Hmm?
You can make.
Okay.
Couldn't stop laughing. You can make, no problem.
But both are same, right?
Yes. Couldn't help means actually uh, same meaning actually, but it is also used like this.
Okay.
Like मिठाई देख के मैं खाए बिना नहीं रह सकता.
Okay. Yeah.
The people speak like this.
Yeah.
भाई मिठाई लाओगे तो फिर मैं खाए बिना नहीं रह सकता.
Yeah, I use same words in my home also. Like if you make, I could not control eating it. Yeah.
So simply it is said like this.
Okay.
If you prepare or if you give me any sweets, I cannot help eating. If I eat, I will increase my calories. If we eat sugar too much.
Got it.
Eating too much of sugar is not good for health. Hmm. Okay, so it is like that. You can use it. So just I wanted to tell you all these things which I had in my mind to tell you. Okay. So now let's discuss something. As I told you that we would like to discuss something. So as you told me earlier, you have been there for the last 14 years.
Yes.
You have been working there. You have been there for the last 14 years. So what do you think means and before that you were in India or you
Yeah, I was in India, India. Yeah, in Andhra Pradesh.
so you got job here
Yeah, I worked there like almost 8 to 10 years.
in India
Yeah,
and then you came
97 to 2005, I think, 2006, February, March.
and after that you came here.
Then I came to US in June 2006.
Okay, so you have been there since then. So
Yes.
how is your life there?
Yeah, definitely I miss my country. I mean, my native place and the people whom, I know very well. Here, every day, like, I cannot say like there are no friends or like that, but that is different completely. This is different life.
That you miss
Because
that you miss the intimacy which you had here
yes, yes.
among
So
your friends, among your
definitely,
neighbors.
yes,
Means that intimacy is missing here.
yes, because even if we go to others, one example I tell you, like if I was in India,
Just a moment. Huh? Hello. हाँ जी हाँ जी बोल रहा हूँ बोलिए मैं आपको सर अभी आधे घंटे में कॉल करता हूँ ठीक है
the difference is if I am in India, I can go to anybody's house without notifying them,
Yes,
and we can go there like we feel like that is also our family, and we have that kind of what we
we
call
don't feel
liberty.
yeah we don't feel different from each other.
Yes, because but here there are so many. I cannot say rules, restrictions, but normally that is the way we have to intimate those guys. Like, okay, if everybody is there, busy in their lifestyle, so
Formalities.
yeah, priorities.
They believe in formalities.
I mean,
Yeah, because
it's not
actually, you know,
like
in
that.
India, if I want to go to my friend's
No,
house,
no,
I simply go. If he is there, it's okay. Otherwise, I talk to his parents and I come back.
yeah, it's not formalities are like that, but the thing is like, I mean, they don't get that much time and they have to do so many things. Yeah. I will tell you one example. It's not anybody's fault. It's like the timing and the schedules and the work they do based on that only. Okay. So in India, what happens like सब कुछ करने को we get like the people to do the works for us. You know what I'm saying? Like कपड़े धोने को लोग आता है, झाड़ू मारने को आता है. Just I'm telling you, so, we can get it there, everybody. But and one more thing is there are so many people in family. If there is anything they can take, let us take, my daughter is not feeling well. Somebody in my family, my father or I
will
mean
take her
brother,
to the
they can
doctor.
take them. But here, we
Everybody is
have
to
to
be
do,
yeah,
they have to take care of everything.
yeah.
So what happens, I mean, there are some other things also we can hire the people for some couple of works, but it's so expensive. Normally what happens like, I mean, why should we spend that much money? We think that way. That is the reason what happens like, as I said, it's not anybody's mistake. They have to uh, do so many things. Like, working days, it's not at all possible for anybody because office here and there running, working after hours. I mean, only the weekend. In weekend also, what happens? Normally, we go to grocery store, have to bring like groceries for that whole week, and shopping. I mean, shopping means like only related to, I mean, groceries only. I mean, different stores we have to go.
You have to
That
bring vegetables, grocery, milk,
yes,
and other things for your
yes.
family. For
So
the
what
home.
happens? What happens? Uh, that itself takes like almost half day to go and bring all the items and here and there. So, and what happens after that? We have to do like vacuuming, and these works completes like almost one day. We work whole week, right? So normally what happens in that one day we try to spend with family, not with other people and going out with, to other buddies' home. I mean, normally don't like that one because we have to wait for next week, next weekend, you know. So definitely, I mean, I can, I mean, I've been here like almost 14 years. I cannot say like this is not good, but I miss my country. That much I can say. Anybody who is staying out of the India, every day they feel like okay, they miss the. I mean, because how can I say? Uh, Honestly, I'm telling, I'm not enjoying with my while driving the car also. I enjoyed a lot when I use my bicycle in India. You know what I'm saying? That much difference is there
The
because
same thing
whatever.
like you want to, the main difference is intimacy, like apnapan.
Yes.
Like we say in Hindi that this is apnapan. We hear even if you talk to any strange, still you feel it is means still we are from the same country or some intimacy is always there. But when even if you talk to your colleagues there, still you don't feel that kind of intimacy. If suppose you are in trouble, he is not much concerned with it. But here in India, even if your maid servant is in trouble, you are concerned. Oh, what happens? Okay, do you need any help from me? Like this. Okay.
No, I cannot say that because they help a lot here, even friends also, even unknown people also, correlate be, they help a lot. If needed and if they have like a really like some kind of what we call, I mean, Ana Jana Aito, known persons, definitely they do. But there are
Just a moment.
limitations.
हाँ क्या है क्या है नहीं क्लास चल रही है क्या है मुझे नहीं पता Yes.
So yeah, they do, but uh, yeah, I mean, yeah, as I said, I mean, the enjoyment is different in one place and in other. I mean, the enjoyment is in different in other place. Here, I mean, we get whatever we want. There is no question about it. As long as if you have the job and the paycheck is coming and I mean, no issues at all. But I mean, even if you become like Ambani also here, you feel like every day like I miss my country and my people. That is there. Honestly, we all agree.
Yes, our country is our country.
Yeah, I mean, if suppose somebody is born and brought up here, if they come to our country, maybe they feel similarly. They feel like, what is this man? I mean, I mean, there is no like a systematic way. I mean, honestly telling you, sir, one thing I can say. I mean, as I said, I've been here like almost 14 years, right? I did not give single dollar to what we call rishwat bolte na, bribe.
As a bribe.
You know what I'm saying?
As
In
a bribe to
India,
anyone. In India, it is common.
in India, if we go anywhere, अगर पैसा नहीं दिया तो काम नहीं चलता.
But this is
You know?
the I don't support this kind of activities here in India. This is wrong. But I know, but I know one thing about US people. The people they support any political party, but still they are means they love their country, and they are educated, well educated to understand what is good for the country and what is bad for the country. Instead of supporting a person blindly, in India, the people they are the blind supporter of BJP, Modi. This is the problem.
I'm not talking about like I mean even politics. I don't want to talk, but the common people how they live there and the common people how here. I mean I'm talking about those things only. Okay, I'm not at all discussing about politics. So what happens? That is
No,
one
no,
of
what I am saying this because as you say you didn't pay anything, even a single dollar to anyone in US because these people are actually, self motivated, and that's why they don't believe in all these things. You give me something as a bribe, I'll do your job. No, it means they don't have that kind of culture because they love their country. But here in India, people, I don't say that, but still, the common people, civilian, they are not concerned with the country at all. They are just concerned with the money, how much they are going to make today, by hook and crook, or by making people fool, or by doing illegal things, illegal deeds. Ultimately, they should have some money at the end of the day. That is
maybe
their aim. Even after their salary, they want to earn. They don't understand their duties. For what they are getting salary from the government. They don't understand that. That's why I'm telling that they are much means they have much understanding of the country instead of politics. Well, yeah.
so maybe I mean that is there in the higher level, but not like it's not impacting like middle class people. You know what I'm saying? Middle class or low, I mean lower class people. So that is one of the difference, and all are like systematic. As I said, we don't need to. Uh, what happens in India if you call somebody in the offices or go to offices, they feel like they are working for us. But here they feel like they are working for them. They are there to serve the people. You know what I'm saying? That difference is there.
Yes, actually, you are right. I do agree with you because this is the truth. Nobody can deny it.
Yeah.
This is the truth. We have to accept this, but we are helpless. Because if we actually mend our ways ourselves, we don't need to mend others' ways. Let them do what they are doing. Just we have to mend our wrong things. We should be honest. We should decide it first instead of asking people to be honest or to do something for the country. It is useless. We must actually apply all these things on us. So
I mean, we're not thinking like, okay, we have to change these things or like that is not good. This is, I mean, we are not discussing that. Just we are comparing that the livelihood of two countries, how it is there and how it is here. As I said, there are advantages, disadvantages, many things are there. But
yes,
yeah, and what happens? Like one example, if we are driving little bit fast or something, when the police caught you, what happens?
catches you.
Catches me, catches you. What happens? In India, if they pay something, they leave. But here, no question at all. Even we can't speak them also like that, and they don't give that much chance also. Very polite way they come and they say like you are going this much speed, it's not good for you. And I mean, if we say some of the things, if they believe like they will
Means they are trained in
they
that
give
way.
they give like some kind of warning and they leave because based on the reason. Let us take I mean it's emergency, I'm going to hospital, I drove little bit fast, then they stop. We can say like okay, if they believe that one they will give some kind of warning and they leave. If they don't believe and I mean it's depending on the mood and
I know, I
situation
know, I know.
and because they see many cases, right? So they weigh the things also, and the salaries we cannot think like okay they are getting like thousands. It's not like that because the salaries are very less for certain groups and even for bank people also they get like $10, $12 per hour even in the banks. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I understood. I know all these things
So
because they are civilized actually. They understand the human values. But here in India, if even the police is there, they think they are Hitler there. They don't have to understand the real situation. They think that is their job to find the people without talking to them, without discussing with them that what the problem is. That is not because they don't want to hear. I just watched a video. It may be, I think, I don't know where it was from. A man entered in a police station with a knife. That time, the policeman, there were several cops inside the police station, and some of them wanted to shoot at him because He entered in the police station with the knife. But the head of the police station, he stopped all of his cops and he started talking to him. And in between that talking, he means actually caught him from behind, and actually he took away the knife, and then he asked what the problem was. Then he started weeping and crying, and the real situation came out that he was hungry for many days. He was not a criminal. Then it means what it shows, that incident, that this is the real police for the people, not for killing people.
Yeah, I mean, here also some incidents happen, like you saw, right, 2 weeks back or 1 month back, something happened.
I know.
I mean, it's the part of the job. Maybe something went wrong. I mean, we cannot, based on 1 or 2 cases, we cannot decide like, okay, everything. I mean, because everywhere it's like that only.
But still they are
They
far.
try to do something, maybe, I mean, we call it something misfired. So, something happened, I mean, but again, I mean, sir, like this, there are so many differences, I mean, lifestyle wise. But again, as I said, I enjoyed a lot in my place only because, yeah, that is